Hi, my name is Faiza Chinti Adam, and I'm Cyber Chinti on all social media platforms. And we've partnered with Pyladies to host this 1 month cybersecurity training and CTF, which is Capture the Flag. So today was basically an onboarding session and also installation party. So what we did today was to install the Linux software on all the participants' PCs in order to prepare them for the CTF challenge. And so far, the onboarding session and the installation party was great, and we had fun. So yeah.
Hello, my name is Abigail Agbesi, a student at Accra Technical University.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I'm a member of the Pyladies cybersecurity community.
Hello, I'm Henrietta. I'm very excited to be part of the May workshop cybersecurity sessions organized by Pyladies. I'm coming from a non-tech background and transitioning into tech.
I attended Pyladies workshop at SB Incubator today, and I really enjoyed the program and would like to recommend it to my fellow young ladies out there to also partake in this program.
Today we did installation of Kali, we did virtualization, and then we played around with the shell as well. I'm looking forward to learning more.
It is an interesting journey that I'm embarking on, and I hope that at the end of the workshop, which is about 1 month, I'll be equipped with the essential knowledge and skills that I need to progress further in my cybersecurity career.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Joyce Jifaloko. I am the communications lead for Pyladies Ghana. And the purpose of we coming up with this training session was to equip the ladies with necessary skills in cybersecurity and to also bridge the gap and to introduce more ladies into the world of tech.
#Pyladies Ghana.